Hey guys, how you going? Sky Pilot here. Yeah, quick flick today. Just been down the PO and found a parcel. It's pretty rattly. Let's see what's in it. Check out the link below, guys. This is something for those of you who are in need of some extra magnification when you're looking at putting some solder. Now what it is a helping hand magnifier with a light. That's really cool. Well, let's have a look and see what's inside of the box. We have a instruction manual. We've got some nice bubble wrap over a nice lens. Magnification lens here. There's a light here that I believe requires some batteries. We'll have a look under here. And we're in need of 3 AAAs, so... Hold it for our solder? Yes, I know that rhymes. No, that rhymes. Hold it for our solder. Okay, so that's really cool. So what this is a third hand, so we're going to attach it on there shortly. You stick your little boards on here and you do some soldering with some lights, so that's really cool. Okay, let's do the magic finger click and get some batteries here. Okay, 3 AAAs as promised. These will need to be done up reasonably tight, guys, so you might actually want to use a pair of pliers because there's a bit of movement in there and you want that to be nice and tight. So what this is for, I'm pretty sure you guys know anyway. Should you need something to hold up your solder with, hold up your flight controllers with, or anything really. This has got tons of adjustment here, so we can put it pretty well wherever we want. It's basically a third hand. Nice magnification on it. Not too sure if you guys can see that just there. It's, yeah, she's pretty cool magnification, and you've got an even greater magnification bubble on there as well, so that's going to come in really handy. I would probably recommend it's fairly lightish, so maybe velcroing or doing something on the base there just to stick it down to where you are going to be doing your work. However, just looking down there, that's going to be a huge help for me, myself and Irene, and that's really cool. Excellent. There you have it, guys, the helping hand magnifier. Again, banggood.com, link in the description. Follow the link below, grab yourself a discount coupon code, and you can't go wrong. As I said, levels of adjustment, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels of adjustment. So, and flexible lamp with lights. So yeah, big tick of approval from Sky Pilot. Thanks for dropping by, guys. Again, link in the description where you can get this little ripper from. Banggood.com. Follow your nose, grab yourself a coupon code, grab yourself a bargain. Great stuff. Only took about 10 days for delivery, so that's pretty good too. I'm going to go ahead now and do some soldering on my little whoop. This is going to make life very easy. Awesome. Have a great day. See you in the sky or on the workbench. Sky Pilot. Catch you later.